The miracle market. The recent FDA fast-tracking of bioprinted organs this February 2026 is being hailed as the greatest medical victory of the century, promising an end to the agonizing wait for donor lists. However, we must look past the press releases and glossy tech demos to ask who actually gets to stand at the front of the line. While the technology to print a liver or a heart from your own stem cells now exists, the infrastructure to deliver it is entirely privatized and patent protected. This isn't just a medical breakthrough. It is the opening bell of a new marketplace where survival is the product, and your bank account determines your biological expiration date. The biological paywall. We are witnessing the creation of a biological paywall, where essential health upgrades are treated like luxury vehicle subscriptions rather than human rights. Early pricing models from major biotech firms suggest that a printed organ won't be a one-time purchase, but rather a leased asset requiring expensive proprietary maintenance drugs that only they can supply. If your insurance doesn't cover the premium life tier, you are left with the outdated, failing biology you were born with, while those with capital can literally buy more time. This shifts the paradigm of healthcare from do no harm to pay or decay. A tale of two species. If this economic disparity continues unchecked, we are not just looking at a wealth gap, but an evolutionary split in the human race. The wealthy elite will have the ability to replace failing parts indefinitely, effectively extending their prime years and accumulating power and resources for decades longer than the average citizen. Meanwhile, the working class will remain bound by natural mortality, creating a caste system where the rich are practically immortal and the poor are disposable. We are moving toward a society where death becomes a penalty for poverty rather than a natural conclusion to life. Repo men of the future. Perhaps the most terrifying aspect of this printed immortality is the question of ownership and intellectual property rights regarding your own body. If a corporation holds the patent on the specific cellular structure of your new heart, do you truly own it? Or are you merely licensing your own life? We must consider the dystopian possibility of digital rights management, DRM, applied to biology, where missed payments could theoretically lead to a remote deactivation of the organ's support systems. It sounds like science fiction, but when biology becomes a service, the terms and conditions can be changed at any time without your consent. The final verdict. As we stand on the precipice of this new era, the question for the zero-fat TV community is whether we will accept this commodification of life as the new normal. We have the technology to save everyone, yet we are designing a system that deliberately saves only a select few. We must demand that these life-saving technologies be treated as a public utility, accessible to all, rather than a luxury upgrade for the 1%. If we don't think different about bioethics now, we may find ourselves in a future where the only thing keeping us alive is our credit score. The arrival of FDA-approved bioprinting in 2026 marks a critical turning point where human longevity is transitioning from a biological lottery to a financial asset. By allowing corporations to patent and gatekeep these life-saving upgrades, we risk creating a permanent underclass of citizens who cannot afford to extend their lives. Ultimately, society must decide immediately if immortality is a human right to be shared or a premium product to be hoarded, before the divide becomes irreversible.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Better things are coming. Benny B. Hamilton.